All right, I've got 15 minutes and I want to show you exactly how to set up and train a Voice AI employee answering service for a local business. So I've got a meeting tomorrow with a business called Vertical Jump here in Paducah, Kentucky. Incredible business. And I actually want to show them a demo on how a voice answering agent could actually really empower their business. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to go about it, how to train it, how to set it up, and all that within 15 minutes because I've got a meeting at 9:15, and so I'm just going to go and record and start going. So let's get into it. So I'm going to go to sub accounts. I'm using High Level for this, and it's an incredible platform. And so here we're going to type in Vertical Jump Park, Paducah, Kentucky. Here we go. This is actually going to generate a report for it. Vertical Jump. I don't have an email for them yet, so I'm just going to use mine. And mine is agoodman626@gmail.com. But you can do a special character in front of it and use it just like that. So that'll work. Time zone is CDT. And I'm going to add sub account. All right, cool. So we've almost got this set up. I'm going to go ahead and say switch to sub account. Perfect. Now we're in the Vertical Jump sub account. And so I'm going to go over here to AI agents. I'm going to say voice agent, and I'm going to create an agent here. So I'm going to create our own custom agent. And so Vertical Jump agent helps if I could spell Vertical Jump agent. I like Samantha. I guess she's not here anymore. Let's do Hope. Okay, so we're going to go with that. And we're going to create a knowledge base here. And so for this knowledge base, Vertical Jump knowledge base, we're going to hit create. And so now we need to actually train the bot here, this knowledge base, on Vertical Jump. So we're going to go to the web crawler. And we're going to go out here and find their website. So Vertical Jump Park Paducah. And their website is right here. I'm going to open that in a new link. Going to copy that link. Come back over here. Put that in. And so that's going to crawl the website. The next thing I'm going to do is also go to their Facebook. So Vertical Jump Paducah. And here's their Facebook. And so now I'm going to go to GPT here that Jeff Bannock has done an incredible job training. He gives this away for free. This is the prompt generator that I use. I need you to help me create a voice agent prompt using High Level for Vertical Jump Paducah. Here is their Facebook page to learn more. And then I'm also going to go to their website. Okay, so we're going to use this website as well. Also learn everything you can from this website. So it's going to do that. I'm going to go back over here. So perfect. We've got this. It's fetching the pages. I'm going to come back to our agent. So I'll go back, go to AI agents, voice agent list. Here's my agent here. I'm going to call it Vertical Jump Agent. And Hope is the name we're going to use. And I'm going to click Save. Here's where you can adjust like how many minutes it will stay in conversation. We'll make it brisk, make the idle time, like how many seconds it will pause. We'll do that. So the agent goals here, we're going to switch it to advanced mode because that's going to give us way more control over the prompt here. I'm actually going to hit refresh because I'm not seeing my knowledge base. So I'll go back to agent goals, click in here, vertical jump knowledge base. Cool. Perfect. I'm going to click save. I'm going to go back over here to my prompt. So vertical jump park, address, hours of operation. Perfect. can you look at their Facebook page for info on commonly asked questions? So it's going to look for the Facebook page. Great point. Perfect. Add that to the script. And definitely make sure to add birthday parties, and like info to the script. Cool, so here it is. We also need a friendly name for this, right? We also need a fun, friendly name and intro for this agent. Let's see. Bounce Buddy. I like Skylar. That's good. Okay, here we go. All right, we've got 5 minutes left. I think we're getting pretty close here. So, okay, so I'm going to go ahead and copy this voice prompt here. Cool. There's a lot more we can do with it, but this is good for now. Oh, I want to switch to advanced mode. Okay, so we've got Skylar here, so I'm going to hit save. Oh, we've got too many characters here. Okay, so that we're going to hit save. And so now we need to do that. We're good with that. So now we need to buy a phone number for this. We're going to go out here. We're going to click buy a phone number. We're going to add a phone number. And so for this, we actually want it to be a 270 area code. We don't want it to be toll free. Click apply. And whoops, helps if I put in 270 for the first part of the number. And so we will basically scroll through here until we found one for Paducah. For sake of time, I'm just going to say we've got this one right here. I'm going to proceed to buy. It's $1.15 a month, so pretty simple. It's going to have a authentication here. Begin verifying. So I've already saved this. We've got 3 minutes here. Let's see if we can do it, because I need to do a test. Data shared. Cool. Done. Proceed to buy. So for this, we don't need to register for A2P. That only means if we're going to do text message marketing and that kind of stuff, do we actually need it? And so let's go back over here to our voice agent, agent list, vertical jump agent. Let's look at the, hey, you've reached Skylar, the virtual assistant for the jump park. All right, cool. So we're going to save this. Now we got to test it real quick. So I'm going to put in my number. We're going to call it.
Hey, you have reached Skylar, the virtual assistant for the vertical jump park, Paducah. How can I help you today?
Yeah, what are your hours?
We're open Tuesday through Friday from 3 p.m. to 9 p.m., Saturday 10 a.m. to 9 p.m., and Sunday 12 p.m. to 6 p.m.
What are your birthday specials?
Birthday parties at Vertical Jump are epic. We handle everything, setup, cleanup, and all the fun in between. You get jumping, dodgeball, basketball dunk lanes, and more. We've got packages for all ages and even
Hey, what's it cost to get in?
Rentals. We've got hourly jump rates, group discounts, and memberships. Weekday deals and group rates start at $2 off per jumper. Want me to send you our full pricing list?
Yeah, that'd be great. All right, so you get it there. We were able to make that in really less than 15 minutes. And so this is something that you can set up in a day. You saw that we set it up in 15 minutes. Obviously, we would continue to refine it and tweak it and get feedback, but this is a great tool to set up as a demo, show a business owner of how you can truly help them and empower their business. And this way, the Vertical Jump staff is going to be able to be really intentional with the clients there in their actual business. All right, so whether you're looking to start your own business or add to your current agency, this is a tremendous opportunity and service to provide to customers because you're making a great impact in your community with the customers, with the business. So those employees' jobs aren't getting replaced with this. You're helping them be more intentional with customers that are standing there in front of them. You're helping the business owner. You're providing a great service to the community because the customers are getting their questions answered quicker. And so if this is something you want to dig more into, I invite you to join my SaaS Academy. It's all about software as a service type business models. Just like this, I go way into more depth on how to train, how to sell these type of services because they have been life-changing for me and my family. Everything I do is to create time and money freedom. Really, it's not even about the money, it's about how do we be more in control of our calendar and our schedule so we can go live life and live it to the fullest with our kids. And so if that's something you're interested in, check out the link below. I'll see you on the next video.